On September 29, 2006, a catastrophic mid-air collision changed the course of Brazilian aviation history. Gol Transportes Aéreos Flight 1907, a Boeing 737-800 on a routine domestic route from Manaus to Brasília and Rio de Janeiro, collided with an Embraer Legacy 600 business jet flying in the opposite direction over Mato Grosso, Brazil. The impact was devastating. The Legacy's winglet sliced through nearly half of the 737's left wing, causing it to disintegrate mid-air and crash into the Amazon rainforest below. Tragically, all 154 passengers and crew on the 737 lost their lives. Meanwhile, the severely damaged Legacy managed to land safely, with its 7 occupants escaping uninjured. The investigation into this tragedy was carried out by Brazil's Aeronautical Accidents Investigation and Prevention Center, SNIPA, alongside the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB. The findings revealed a complex series of failures. SNIPA concluded that errors made by air traffic control, ATC, combined with mistakes by the Legacy's American pilots, such as failing to notice their traffic collision avoidance system, TCAS, was inactive, were critical factors. However, the NTSB viewed the situation differently. They determined that both flight crews had followed protocol, but were placed on a collision course by ATC. While the Legacy's inactive TCAS was noted as a contributing factor, the NTSB stopped short of calling it a direct cause. This accident had a profound impact on Brazilian aviation, sparking widespread reforms in air traffic management. At the time, it was Brazil's deadliest plane crash. Today, it remains the second worst, following the TAM Airlines Flight 3054 disaster in 2007. It was also a grim milestone for the Boeing 737 Next Generation series, the first hull loss, the first fatal crash of a 737-800, and the first incident resulting in fatalities for this aircraft type. Even now, the collision ranks as the 4th deadliest accident involving the Boeing 737 Next Generation family, following tragedies involving Jeju Air, Ukraine International Airlines, and Air India Express. This incident serves as a haunting reminder of the importance of robust safety protocols, effective communication, and the critical role of technology in preventing such disasters.